We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay Cloud not set up Apple Pay. First thing you need to do is check that your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that your region and bank support it, because setup will fail if your card or device is not eligible. Next, open the wallet app and make sure your Apple ID is signed in and carefully verified. Then confirm that your device is updated to the latest iOS version and has a stable internet connection. After that, restart your iPhone and try adding your card again. Also ensure that Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode settings are enabled for Apple Pay authentication. And if you still not cannot set up Apple Pay, contact your bank to confirm there are no restrictions, holds, or security issues with your card. Then reach out to Apple support for further guidance or completing the setup. So that's it.